are few students in the class, there are a few students in the class, there are some students in the class. Hello dear students, this is Kanza Salim and let's solve this problem out. Well, these all seems to be right, correct? So, which one is correct? Well, it's a big confusion. Few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little and some. Oh my god. Scratching heads? Yes. So, today we are going to see what's the difference between few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little and some. Yes. So, if I say there are few students in the class. Yes. Few students in the class means कुछ बच्चे हैं क्लास में? No. There are few students in the class means there are no students at all in the class. Yes, I'm right. There are no students in the class. Few students in the class means few is used in the negative sense. If I'm saying there are few students in the class means there are no students at all in the class. But if on the other hand if I say there are a few students in the class means yes there are a few 2-3 students are there in the class. Okay, and if I say there are some students in the class means there are a few more means a few is used for very small quantity for say more less than 5 if there are 2-3 students. But if there are a few students means if there are some students in the class, if I am saying there are some students in the class means there are some for say more than 5, 7, 8 students present in the class, then in that sense I can say there are some students in the class. So similarly there is one more thing, the few. Few means nothing negative. A few means there are 2-3 students, and if I say the few, so where will we put the few? The few is used for something which is there and जो थोड़ा है उस पूरे के लिए यूज होता है the few. If I say the few students present in the class are notorious means जो थोड़े students present है क्लास में वो सारे के सारे notorious है, वो सारे के सारे बहुत naughty हैं, right? So few, a few, the few. Then if we see little, few is used for countables 1, 2, 3, 4 and little is used for uncountables. Okay, so little. If I say there is little milk in the glass means there is no milk at all in the glass. But if I say there is a little milk in the glass means there is milk in the glass. It is used in positive sense. And if I say the little milk in the glass, I drank the little milk in the glass means जो थोड़ा सा milk था glass में वो पूरा का पूरा मैंने पी लिया. So the little. So similar as we used the few students in the class are notorious, in the same way we will use the little, and the little we use for uncountable things. Okay, I had the Maggie in the little Maggie in the plate means जो थोड़ी सी मैगी थी प्लेट में वो पूरी की पूरी मैंने खा ली, फिनिश कर ली. So I had the little Maggie in the plate. Okay. Similarly, some. Well, some is used for both. It can be used for both countables and uncountables. And it is also used in the positive sense, in the sense of thoda. If I say thoda hai, kuch hai. So, then what is the difference between a few, some and a little? Well, beta, if I say that there are a few students means if we see less than 5, if we can say, we can say that if there are less than 5 we can use a few, and if there are more than 5 we say there are 7, 8 students, 10 students, we can say there are some students in the class. Okay, it is used in the more positive manner. There are some students in the class. There are a few students in the class. and there are some students in the class. Okay, क्लास में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, क्लास में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, राइट? यू मस्ट हैव वॉच्ड पीके कि दैट वर्ड पे डिपेंड करता है कि हम उसको किस तरह से बोल रहे हैं. अच्छा अच्छा. सिमिलरली देर आर क्लास में कुछ बच्चे हैं, क्लास में कुछ बच्चे हैं. देर आर अ फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, देर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास. सो the manner you are speaking, it will change. It will change. Okay, so similarly some is used for few is used for countables, and some, for example, if I say there is some pasta in the dish, so I cannot count pasta. There is one pasta, two pastas. Okay, there is some pasta, so we can use for that. There is some Maggi. Okay, there is some cold drink. So for these things you can use some. Or for countables and uncountables, both the things you can use some. So I hope the difference is clear. Few, a few, the few and little are used in negative sense. When we are trying to say nothing at all, then we will use few and little. And when thoda hai, then we will use a few or a little. और जब थोड़ा और तब थोड़ा ज़्यादा है क्वांटिटी में, जब हम बता रहे हैं हाँ थोड़ा है, then we will use some for both countables and uncountables. और जब हम बता रहे हैं कि जो थोड़ा है वो सारा का सारा, पूरा का पूरा, then for countables we will use the few, and for uncountables we will use the little. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a great day.